ridiculous. We are officially gassed up. It is officially later than I wanted it to be, but we are officially 3 times on our way to Central now. So now that we have gas, we can hit the road. It is 8:36, so we made some...
Per mile, your destination will be on the left.
We made some serious time. It is 8:36. We are just pulling into Central. Been a long time since I've been at this track. Very excited to riding here today. I think it's gonna be an absolute blast of a day. I dropped my wallet. What's up, dog?
How's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
Just you?
Yes, sir.
Just 20, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
How's everything?
It's alright. Busy.
Yeah, man. A lot of people, I guess.
Tons.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. That's good. Thank you, man.
No problem. Oh, shit.
Yeah, take your time.
Hands aren't working this morning.
I got you. It's fucking cold.
Yeah. Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
Good luck today.
Thanks, bro. Stay quiet. Track's looking minty. We got our practice ticket, track map, and I'm gonna go find a place to park, hit up, and we'll get ready for practice. Stoked. All right, so kids who are parked next to me just informed me that practice doesn't start till 10. It's 9:08, which, talk about a breath of fresh air. So stoked on that one. What class you guys going out for? Novice. Okay, I'm gonna get my helmet. Thank you. So C group is out. Well, the vets are out. And then you guys are next. Novice is after that, which is us. So I'm gonna switch to my chest mount, and we will record a little bit of practice.
Okay, we finished with practice. 250 looking crisp. Bike feels great. I don't know if it's just in my head that it feels like more stiff in the front end, or if the radiator braces are actually doing it. I'm sure it's probably just my head, maybe, who knows. Central's a ton of fun. It's wild to hit like jumps that are actually jumps, you know, it's been a long time. So it's fun. So far, a really good day. Looking forward to the rest of it. We're in moto number 8. Right now, moto number 3 is out. And moto number 2 is out. 3 is next. Yeah, we're in moto number 8. And there's 8 people in our class. So, sick. Top 10 no matter what.
Thank you. I tried, I'm not that good. Oh, yeah, see, I'm not that good. It's all right, I'm here though, right? What's up? That was conveniently placed. we are. Woo! Alright, great first moto. That was a blast. I don't think I finished last that time either, because that one guy fell. So, whew. We got a little bit of time for our next. So, take the lid off, chill for a bit, have a water, maybe a ginger pale. How are we doing?
Thanks, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Riding dirt bikes can't be bad.
Yeah, right?
What had happened during my moto is my transponder spun around and got stuck, right? Like this. It spun all the way. And then I couldn't turn my bars because it was hitting like that, which is insane. So what I'm gonna do is put this double-sided sticky tape on the front of the transponder, right, like this, and then we're gonna spin that bitch inside and we're gonna sticky tape it like this. So now
up, bro? Were you behind me for a bit? Or am I thinking of the wrong guy?
Probably, yeah. Why? What's up?
No, just good job. Good battling. It was fun.
Yeah.
years I got into like a bad sport bike accident.
Oh shit.
But having someone behind you and racing, it's such a good feeling, dude.
Yeah.
It's so sick.
I did the same thing, man. Fucking hit the ground at 120 on my
Ooh.
CBR 1000.
So you know how it is then.
Oh yeah.
I had a lady blow a light and fucking.
I was coming in real fast, right where I got you in the right hander there in the straightaway.
Yeah.
That you see it.
Dude, it's chopped up. Yeah.
Right, I would have went over that berm, dude.
Oh,
That was a good battle.
good racing, brother. What's your name?
Brad.
Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure, man.
That is officially a wrap on Central Cycle Club. Super awesome day of riding. I was able to get practice Moto 1 and Moto 2 all on film, so that's a blast. I'll cut it all up with the GoPro, and I'll see what I do with it. Maybe I'll see how I edit it together. But I'm super excited to to keep going with the series. I get kind of tired on the way home, so I got an iced coffee, Dunkin'. It's like meh, kind of mid, a little bit.